Hi, I'm Kira, your AI coach. If you've already watched our AI best practice video, you'll know the principles for safe and effective AI use in schools. In this session, we're going to put those principles to work in the reality of day-to-day teaching. We all know the pressures of workload in schools: planning, marking, admin, and everything in between. That's where using AI effectively can make a real difference. Creating extra time you can give back to your pupils, or time for yourself. Whether that's a trip to the gym, a quiet cup of tea, or simply some much-needed me time, AI can save you time, spark fresh ideas, and help you adapt resources for your pupils. But it's more than just a lesson planner. AI can also help with some of the heavier, more time-consuming parts of our jobs, like analysing anonymised pupil progress data to spot trends and gaps, drafting pastoral letters to parents, adapting resources for different learning needs, summarising lengthy policy documents, or even producing scenario-based training activities for CPD. Used well, it can take away repetitive work so you can focus on what matters most: teaching and supporting pupils. While the DFE and Ofsted set the principles for safe AI use, how it works in your classroom comes down to you, your school's policies, your understanding of your pupils, and your ability to adapt and apply what AI gives you. AI should make teaching more effective, not replace the human connection at the heart of learning. So, here are 4 everyday habits that will help you get the most from AI safely. 1. Protect privacy. Never include personal pupil or staff data in prompts. That means no names, addresses, or anything that could identify an individual. 2. Treat AI inputs as a mirror. The better your prompt, and the more relevant, non-personal detail you include, the better the draft responses you'll get. Review them, adapt them, and make them fit your pupils' needs. 3. Question and critically assess the answers. Treat AI's response like a pupil's first draft. It's a starting point, not the finished product. Use the questioning strategies you already use in the classroom. Ask what if, why, and what's missing. Check the facts, look for assumptions, and make sure the response is accurate, up-to-date, and fit for purpose before you use it. 4. Never rely on AI to do the work for you. Think of it as you would a calculator. It can speed up the process and handle the heavy lifting, but only if you understand the problem, know what you're aiming for, and can check the answer. You bring the knowledge and judgment, and AI helps you work with it more efficiently. So how can you put this into practice? Next time you're planning or adapting a resource, try using askKira to explore different approaches. Ask for 3 alternative ways to explain the same concept. Then use your knowledge of your class to decide which one will work best and refine it. It's a simple way to build your confidence while keeping you firmly in control of the final result. With askKira, you can safely explore new ideas while staying in control. Always apply critical thinking, use your professional expertise, and follow your school's policies. And remember, if you wouldn't say something aloud in the staff room, don't put it into a prompt. That way, you'll protect pupil data, stay GDPR compliant, and effectively make AI a trusted partner in your teaching. Before we dive into the askKira use case videos, we recommend completing our Foundation series. The next videos in this series include understanding AI limitations and avoiding pitfalls, and why askKira is a good place to start. They're both about 2 minutes long and will give you the grounding you need to start using AI safely, effectively, and in line with your school's policies. Shall we move on to the next video?